Here's a 2015 Chrysler 300. This 300 is a full-size sedan as bold as your personality, with elegance, technology, and safety that goes above and beyond. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com finds the 300 boasts sleeker styling, a quieter interior, and more comfortable ride than it did in years past. Interior craftsmanship is second to none in its class, and the 300's myriad electronic features are not only advanced but also easy to use. Chrysler, where bold ideas merge with brilliant innovation. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Garber Honda. We strive to be the best automotive sales and repair operation in every market we serve. Visit us today at 3925 West Henrietta Road in Rochester, New York.